On this episode of How to Use, let's go through the guideline on how to use Hyperbridge, and you are watching this on Polkadot Insider. First, you need to launch the app. Step 1. Access to Hyperbridge through hyperbridge.network. Step 2. At the right corner, click on Launch App. Step 3. Connect wallet. At the moment, Hyperbridge is supporting a lot of wallets such as Talisman, Subwallet, Phantom, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. Now we learn on how to bridge from Polkadot to other chain. Hyperbridge allows users to bridge from other chains to Polkadot and vice versa. Besides Polkadot, this platform is also supporting Ethereum, Optimism, Genesis, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, and Base. Step 1. At the Send tab, select Polkadot as the network. Step 2. Enter the amount of DOT token that you want to bridge. Step 3. At the Receive tab, select BNB Chain as the network. Step 4. Waiting for XCM execution on Polkadot. Step 5. Waiting to receive XCM on Hyperbridge. Step 6. Waiting for Hyperbridge to finalize our transaction. Step 7. Claim your funds on Ethereum. Now let's add the DOT token. The DOT token on BNB chain, after bridging, is the relay chain token. To see our DOT balance on BNB chain, first, we need to add the token manually. Step 1. In our Talisman wallet, click on the setting icons, then choose All Settings. Step 2. We will move to an advanced setting dashboard. Here click on Networks and Tokens on the left sidebar. Step 3. Click on Manage Ethereum Tokens. Step 4. Click on Add Custom Token. Step 5. Select the Binance Smart Chain as the network. Then fill in the contract address of the token. Then click Add Token to finish the process. And there we go. The DOT token is now displayed on our Talisman wallet. Now to bridge from other EVM chains to Polkadot, just do the following steps. Step 1. Choose the EVM chain as the network at the Send tab. For this video, we will continue using BNB chain. Step 2. Enter the amount of DOT tokens that we want to bridge. Step 3. Choose Polkadot as the network at the Receive tab. Step 4. Wait for transaction execution on BNB chain. Step 5. Wait for BNB chain to finalize our transaction. Step 6. Wait for a relayer to deliver our transaction to Hyperbridge. And that's it on today's How to Use. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next video. Like and subscribe to Polkadot Insider.